Good evening from InvestSharp.com. It is Sunday, October the 24th, and this is Randy Smotone with a weekly watch list. So I don't have a real big watch list this week. Of course, as always, I'll post some more on the stock tweets, the feed, and Twitter, and of course on the main blog of the website if I see anything that I think we need to take for subscribers. So let's start off with some triangles. This little ANW, I like the little triangle here, and looks like it's about ready to break out. Next, APC. This one is a nice ascending pattern. It's already broken out, but keep an eye on APC next week. ATHR, another one that has broke out Friday with a pretty big move, but definitely worth keeping your eye on here. Volume kicking in, looks good. Brocade Communications, little triangular pattern. Looks like it about ready to break higher. Quaker Chemical. This is let me go out here a little further. So this has been working on this ascending pattern for quite some time. It could be a wedge as well, so it could hit some resistance up in this area here. So keep an eye on that. And again, I haven't checked earnings on all of these that I go over, so you definitely check earnings before you jump into one of these trades, because the earnings might be Monday, Tuesday, or whatever. So we're definitely still in the middle of earnings season. Akamai looks like it has no volume yet. It did break out above the downtrend line. It's got resistance there, but looks like it wants to break higher. AXL, American Axle, still looks good. Nice ascending pattern, and had a good volume Thursday, and then it had light volume as it just kind of sat there Friday. So looks good. And earnings on that one looks like the 29th. I must have looked at that one. HRS, another ascending pattern. Of course, triangles can break down or break to the upside. So, but these little tiny little dojis here, it doesn't seem like it's one in one falls, not going higher, but keep an eye on it. So it could go either direction here. MHGP. MHGC. The Morgan Hotels, of course, all these whole hotel group is doing really well. Probably has at a resistance around this 8 where it got up to where this previous high is, but lots of volume kicking in. PNC. Another one's got volume coming in, and looks like earnings were must have been Friday or into last week. So that have to worry about the earnings on that one. So that looks good if you want to take a try at a financial. CRR breaking out of this ascending pattern. Looks good. It's got volume. PPDI already broke out above the downtrend line and it's had volume. Looks good. US Bank Corp. Another little bank here that's broken out above the downtrend line. It's got a triangle pattern and it's good volume. ROVI. This one looks like it's still in its triangle, but so watch for a move higher here, or of course a breakdown below. But with all this volume here, I would assume we're going to have a break higher here, but we'll know soon. SVR. This one looks like it's ready. It could break higher. It had a lot of volume here, and now it's just consolidating here. So watch for a breakout of this little channel here at the pretty much up near its 52-week high. And this is another one that's breakout or near resistance. Yeah, well, it's kind of a triangle pattern too, but it looks like it could break out here. It had good volume here and here. I'm not seeing any selling, so it looks like breakout. Probably going to get back to at least 1750. Then these are all that have already had breakouts, mostly on earnings. INFA, big move, but it's always good to keep an eye on these, for any type of flags or pullback. CMG. And of course, if you're a scalper, you can play them intraday. RVBD, big move. Said all these are earnings related. Citrix Solutions, Amazon. This one's not earnings related, but had a nice breakout. It's holding up well here, and yeah, right there. So that looks really good. VICR, another breakout on earnings. Hill, this one looks like it might have put in a bottom, so you kind of know where your stop is here, and I like it just kind of sitting here resting for the most part. It did have an outside bearish reversal here, so you have to wait and see what happens, but should have some support somewhere around this 5. MELI looks like it is breaking out above the downtrend line. It didn't do it with volume Friday. Let's look at the moving averages here. It's been on a great run, and it just pulled back here to an area, this kind of a congestion area support, and the stochastic's turning back up. So I think it looks pretty good here. Owens Corning breaking out above the downtrend line, had some volume, looks good. CFRC, K-Force breakout, still holding, should hold around that 15. TGI, Triumph Group, should hold around 80 or so, and I believe, yeah, it's up around its 52-week high, and has this now nice little just rounded pattern. Had a little cup and handle right here breaking out, so it looks good. TSTC breaking out above the downtrend line, and then these are all double bottoms we've looked at before. Iron Mountain, still not a good volume on it though, so I'm still kind of sitting and watching it. This GVA had a double bottom. It broke out and then it's pulled back with some volume, but it just pulled back to the uptrend line, so I'll have to wait and see where it goes from here, but looks interesting. SWI, this Safeway, another double bottom, had good volume, broke out from the earnings, or breakout from the earnings. MTG, I think I've already talked about this one before. I like this channel, this double bottom breakout, came back, it had earnings, and now it's so see where it goes from here. If it can break out above this little downtrend line as it's flagging, you can jump on board. Then here's some Head and Shoulders bottoms. BCSI, Blue Coat Systems, looks like it has a head, shoulder, so, and it had volume kicking in there Friday, so it looks like it's about ready to break out and go higher. MRVL, another one that's had pretty good move there Friday. It's getting up in here to some sort of resistance, but another one that's like that's putting in a bottom here, a Head and Shoulders bottom, inverted Head and Shoulders. In UVA, Nuvasive, another one that had a nice inverted Head and Shoulders, had big breakout. Now it's a little flag back, so watch for the next move here. Should get it to about 40. And this is I'll show you what I covered. And that's really all I have for you tonight. And I'm still not done with my searches, so I'll do some more and post some more stuff probably tomorrow or the next couple of days. I usually post stuff as I see it anyway. All right, so thanks for watching.